In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show grid lines in Microsoft Word. Grid lines are an incredibly useful feature when you want to align objects, shapes, images, or text boxes precisely on your page. They don't prink, so they're perfect for layout work, making your document look neat and professional without affecting the final output. To start, open the Word document where you want to display grid lines. Make sure you're on the page where you need to align your objects. Next, go to the Layout tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In some versions of Word, this may be labeled as Page Layout. Look for the Arrange group, which contains several options for positioning objects on the page. Within the Arrange group, click on Align. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled View Grid Lines. Click this option, and you'll immediately see a light grid appear across your page. These grid lines act as a visual guide, helping you position objects evenly and maintain consistent spacing. If you want more control over the grid, click on the Align drop-down menu, then select the Grid and Guide settings. Here, you can adjust the spacing between the grid lines, choose whether to snap objects to the grid automatically, and even display drawing guides for more precise alignment. Enabling the Snap to Grid feature makes it easier to line up shapes and text boxes perfectly without having to manually adjust them. Grid lines are especially helpful when working with diagrams, flowcharts, or complex layouts that include multiple elements. You can move objects freely, and the grid lines help you maintain consistent distances and alignment across your design. Remember, grid lines are for guidance only. They won't appear when you print the document, so you don't need to worry about them showing up on the final page. Turning grid lines on and off is simple. If you no longer need them, just go back to the Align menu and uncheck View Grid Lines, and they will disappear from your document. Using grid lines effectively can make your Word documents look more polished and professional, giving you better control over layouts and designs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.